This is TJ from Deptford Fence here in Mullica Hill, New Jersey. Customer had previously got a fence with us, but the storms came through and knocked the majority of it down, so he ended up getting it replaced and getting a little extra as well. So he replaced all this with chain link. Decided to keep the aluminum look. The aluminum has a very good curbside appeal. Very low maintenance. You see it rides the ground pretty nice. If you wanted a fence like this yourself, you can go to instantfenceprice.com, see what you're eligible for, see what fits you, and we can get you going from there.